Ever wondered who's really powering your Stashaway investments? It's a question many users have, and one that's surprisingly not always front and center. We're so focused on the sleek interface and the automated portfolios, we sometimes forget to look under the hood. So, who is the bank behind Stashaway, and why does it even matter? Let's unpack that. Stashaway, as you likely know, is a digital wealth management platform. They offer robo-advisory services, meaning they use algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. They've gained popularity for their ease of use, low fees, and the perceived simplicity of investing. But they aren't a bank themselves. They're a fintech company. And that's a crucial distinction. Fintech companies like Stashaway often partner with established financial institutions to handle certain aspects of their operations. This could include things like holding client funds, executing trades, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Think of it like a car manufacturer partnering with a tire company. The car company designs and builds the vehicle, but they rely on the tire company's expertise for a critical component. In the case of Stashaway, the primary banking partner is generally well disclosed, though sometimes it takes a little digging to find. You'll often find this information in their terms and conditions, their FAQs, or sometimes in their regulatory disclosures. It's important to know this because the bank acts as custodian for your assets. They're the ones actually holding your money and securities. This is a critical layer of security, ensuring that your investments are protected even if Stashaway were to encounter difficulties. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, for a few key reasons. Firstly, security. Knowing who's holding your assets gives you peace of mind. You can research the bank's reputation, their financial stability, and their regulatory compliance. This adds a layer of trust to the process. Secondly, regulation. Banks are heavily regulated entities. This oversight provides an additional level of protection for your investments. It ensures that the bank adheres to strict rules regarding the handling of client funds. Thirdly, understanding the relationship helps you understand the flow of your money. It's not just disappearing into the digital ether. It's being held in a regulated financial institution. So, how do you find out who the specific banking partner is for Stashaway in your region? As I mentioned earlier, the best place to look is usually their official documentation. Don't hesitate to check their website's legal or FAQ sections. If you can't find it there, reach out to their customer support. They should be able to provide you with the information you need. It's your right to know where your money is being held. Understanding the role of the banking partner in a fintech platform like Stashaway is a crucial part of being an informed investor. It empowers you to make better decisions and gives you greater confidence in the platform you're using. It's not just about the fancy interface and the automated investing. It's about understanding the underlying structure and ensuring the safety and security of your investments. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.